In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Mailchimp. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or just looking to organize your audience more effectively, understanding how tags work can make a huge difference in managing your email marketing campaigns. Tags allow you to categorize your contacts into specific groups, making it easier to send targeted messages and keep your audience organized. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create tags and even how to add multiple tags at once, using a simple CSV file. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Mailchimp website. Once you're there, log into your Mailchimp account. If you're not already signed in, simply enter your username and password to access your dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll manage everything related to your email campaigns, audience data, and more. Once logged in, look over at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Click on the section labeled Audience. The audience section is where all your subscribers live. It's essentially the heart of your Mailchimp account. If you manage multiple audiences for different projects or businesses, you'll want to select the specific audience you're working with. Take a moment to choose the appropriate one, as tags are audience-specific and won't transfer across different lists. Now that you're in the right audience, look toward the top of the page. In the menu that appears, you should see an option labeled Tags. Go ahead and click on that. This is the area where all your tags will be displayed once you've created them. If you don't see any tags yet, don't worry. We're going to fix that in just a moment. Next, locate the Manage Tags link or button. It might be toward the middle or upper part of your screen, depending on your Mailchimp interface. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page that allows you to create, edit, or delete tags. Now, to create a new tag, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Create Tag. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up window, you'll see a text box where you can type in the name of your new tag. Think carefully about the name. It should be descriptive and meaningful, especially if you plan to create multiple tags. For example, if you're segmenting your audience by interest, you might name the tag something like Product Updates or Webinar Attendees. Once you've entered the desired name, click the Save button, and just like that, your tag will be created. If you need to create multiple tags at once, don't worry. Mailchimp makes that easy too. To do this, you'll need to prepare a CSV file. Open up your preferred spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets and enter each tag name you want to create in a single column. Once you've added all the tags, save the file in CSV format. This is important because Mailchimp only accepts CSV files for bulk uploads. Make sure to double-check your file before saving it, as any errors in the CSV could cause issues during the upload process. Once your CSV file is ready, go back to the Tags section in Mailchimp and look for the option to upload a file. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload your CSV, and Mailchimp will automatically create or assign the tags based on the data in your file. This is a great way to save time and ensure consistency if you're working with a large audience or multiple categories. And that's it. You've now learned how to create tags in Mailchimp and even how to add multiple tags at once using a CSV file. Tags are a powerful way to keep your audience organized, send targeted campaigns, and improve the overall efficiency of your email marketing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.